If I had to look for a job in 2024, this is what I would do. I'll write my resume, write a cover letter, apply for 100 jobs, prepare for interviews, get interviews from 10 of those companies, get the offer letter.
Welcome.
I'm just kidding. We are not living in 2014 to do that.
No! God, please, no! No!
This is 2024. I think there are more data science aspirants or software engineering aspirants than actual data scientists and software engineers themselves. If I had to look for a job in 2024, I had to be different from other people. So that's what we're gonna see in this video. I'm gonna tell you the step-by-step process and some tools which are gonna help you to do that. Step 1. Optimize your resume. The first step is still going to be about optimizing your resume. But I'm going to tell you how to do it in a faster way. I know a lot of you would have gone to ChatGPT, given your resume and asked ChatGPT to just rewrite the resume. I bet you wouldn't have gotten a good answer for that because that's not the way to do it. Let me show you how to do that. This is what you are going to do. Go to chatgpt.com, give this prompt. You can find all the necessary tools and prompts in the description. Just copy this prompt, now write about your work or project in a casual way. It doesn't have to be resume friendly, just give some description of the project or your previous role. Just for an example, I'm just gonna take cliché project house price prediction over here. I've just given a single line that I built a project on it using Python and machine learning. ChatGPT will convert that text into professional resume bullet points. You'll see in the prompt that we asked ChatGPT to generate fake numbers. Now you have to correct those numbers to actual numbers that you think are accurate. You don't need an experienced person to review a resume. You just need ChatGPT and you should be able to tell what you did clearly. And make sure to copy all this information into an ATS friendly resume. You can get the ATS friendly resume in the description below. Step 2. Apply for jobs. Now that you have generated your resume, sit back, take your laptop and put in 20 applications per day. That's it. But wait, before doing that, ask yourself this question. Putting in application is a labor-intensive work. As a job seeker, is your time worth doing that? Personally, I think no. Job seekers' time is very valuable and you should focus on only the important stuff. I would suggest you to outsource it to a friend who has a lot of free time who can apply on your behalf. Pro tip, you are lucky if you have an younger sibling who can do that for you. But let's say you can't find anyone, no problem. Go to autoapply.com. You can hire a personal assistant here who can apply for jobs on your behalf. Give your job interest and delegate the whole application process. Best part is you can add any jobs on the go and get detailed progress updates on what's happening. They offer the best rates in the market today. These 3 points are good enough for me to invest in the product and that's what I did. Step 3. So now you have prepared your resume and someone else is applying on your behalf. You can just sit and chill, right?
No! No! No!
I wish that was the case. Just putting in application is not gonna get you an interview. Your resume or your application has to reach hiring managers' eyes. How to do that? Thinking of going on LinkedIn and texting recruiters and hiring managers asking to look at your resume? The 1,000 other people who applied for the job are thinking the same. So don't do that. Instead, go to LinkedIn. Go to the company's LinkedIn page that you applied for. Go to people section and filter based on keywords like director or president, anyone in the executive level role. And connect with people using this message template. Just a short intro about what role you're looking for, what role you've applied for. You can find this template in the description. And just send them this message. Let's say this person agrees to help. Do you think the hiring manager is gonna ignore a message that's coming from a director of that company? Or if you want to automate this step as well, Automate Apply has an add-on where you can delegate this part of the process. Step 4. Focus on the quality. Now that you have prepared your resume, hired a personal assistant who can work for you and apply for you, and they are making sure that your application is getting to the hiring manager. Now it's time to answer the big question. So as job seekers, we all have this question: quality or quantity, what matters? Now that you have automated the process of applying for multiple jobs, now it's time to focus on the quality. This step is an open-ended step. You can choose to ignore it but I recommend to follow this step. This step is going to be the open-ended, but it's the most important step. Do you have any dream job role or a dream company in mind? Pick 5 to 10 such job openings. Create individual cover letter for those roles to show that this is not just another application that you are applying for. You can use ChatGPT to generate your cover letter by giving your resume to it. You can go beyond this and you can tweak your resume based on the job description. You can add or remove your skills or projects on your resume to match the job description. If you think you are not ready for the role, build your profile. Do the project that you always wanted to do. Learn that skill you always wanted to learn. The entire point of automating all the tasks is for you to focus on what really matters. I hope you got a different perspective from this video. Best of luck with your job search. See you in the next one.